I don't like your T-Series.
Sometimes I just can't think of anything.
Nothing personal, kid.
That I just lose it.
But I must go all out.
It's great. It's gonna go off.
Just this once.
3 seconds.
Bob's or Vagana, whichever will it be. Set the fuck down, T-Series, I'm here to spill the real tea. You tryna dethrone me from spot on number 1, but you in the year you lose, so best think you haven't won. When I'm through with you, we're gonna be completely fucking done, cause we only just begun. I review you, 0 vibe is gone. So come on, T-Series, looking hungry for some drama. Here, let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series just put themselves in their pajamas. So who the hell is Bob and why you wanna kiss him? I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while you're just dark magician. You got a fifth of the population in your nation, but I got 90 rolls of worlds to hold your defecation. Multipatlo, what the fuck is that even supposed to mean? Your language sounds like it come from a mumble rap community. No papa, yes papa, Johnny. Now download the sugar and let's throw this fucking party with some bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just wet in their pajama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. You got a population of 1.32 billion, but most your videos can't seem to hit even a million.
Scared of like clowns, but the train, guys, it's a meme. This is a meme on my channel. The freaking train needs to stop. Hashtag stop the train. Freaking stop the train. I need to move. He's just looking out for summer, all right? He's stop it. Why are you here? Oh my freaking train, dude. This is why I want to, guys, this is why I want to move. There's a freaking train every 1 second. Actually every video. It's ridiculous. Like, bruh. And then my phone goes off. Like, what is going? The freaking train, dude. It's all like, I try to keep like a conversation in it. Like, I try to keep a conversation. Oh, train. Perfect timing. Thanks, man. Like, actually, I'm not kidding. When I say every video, it's actually every video. Someone please make like a montage of me reacting to the freaking train, because it's every freaking video. I'm on my... Do you guys hear the train? It's in the distance. It's coming in hot, okay? The train's coming and I'm leaving. Bye. Shut it, you freaking idiot, train. Oh my god. Stupid. The train's not that loud today. Oh, okay. I'm fine with it. That wasn't even that loud. Maybe it's one of the one. Maybe it's... Moving on. Derek, you know not to swing that hard. Trains are just my favorite. God. This is what I don't want to exist in the world. Spiders and trains. Those two things can go away and then I'd be fine. Are you freaking kidding me, dude? Oh my god. It's like, oh, he hates trains, right? Let's just go right when he's making a video. You're in the prime of your life right now. I'm not though, because the freaking train just passed. Great. You want to know what's not satisfying? There you go. I don't want to answer. There's a horse inside of a horse. Freaking train, dude. Come on, let me freaking make my video and then you can come. Alright? Alright. I don't even want to look at you. Ew. Oh, and the freaking train's back. Oh, great timing, man. Great. I can't even talk. Dude, I'm out. I'm out. I'm back. Stacy, what are you doing? The train made me do that. All right. But Stacy, what are you doing? Pooping in the back. Who? Train's back. Let me just wait till that train passes. I think it honestly passes right as I'm making a video. Like, they know. They're like, oh, Infinalist is making a video. Let's hit him with the train real quick. Come on, guy. Because I'm the train. Did you guys hear it? Hi train. How you doing? Okay, fine. I guess I do look down at hashtag ignore the train. They all look like I'm done. I'm done. I am done. No, I'm not. Nope. Gotta finish the video like that on Facebook. I mean, oh my, just shut up. Shut it. All right, I'm done. Why do you have to be here every time I make a video, dude? Like, come on. That is all of the train clips.